Desire is not evil. But when desire becomes your master, peace becomes impossible. Many people don't lose their lives suddenly. They lose it slowly, by always wanting more. Meet Aaron. Aaron wasn't poor. He wasn't rich either. But he had enough. A small house, a steady job, food on the table. Yet every night his mind whispered, "This is not enough." When his friend bought a new phone, Aaron wanted a better one. When his neighbor moved to a bigger house, Aaron felt small. When he saw success online, his heart became restless. He didn't enjoy what he had, because he was always imagining what he didn't. Aaron started making risky decisions. He borrowed money to look successful. He worked extra hours but felt emptier. He chased approval, not peace. Every achievement felt good. For a moment. Then desire returned, louder. The more he fed desire, the hungrier it became. One evening, exhausted, Aaron visited an old uncle known for his quiet wisdom. The house was simple. No luxury. No display. Yet the old man smiled with peace. Aaron asked him, "Don't you want more from life?" The old man paused, then asked calmly, "More of what?" Aaron had no answer. The man continued, "Desire is like fire. It can cook your food, or burn your house." He pointed to the small garden outside. If you water one plant properly, it grows. If you try to water all plants at once, everything dries up. That night, Aaron reflected deeply. He realized, desire had stolen his joy. Comparison had robbed his peace. Wanting more had made him ungrateful. He didn't need a new life. He needed a new relationship with desire. The next morning he did something unusual. He stopped chasing, stopped comparing, stopped proving. He focused on one goal, one improvement, one step at a time. For the first time in years, his mind felt quiet. Desire will always knock, but you decide whether to open the door. If you don't control desire, it will control you. And when desire controls you, nothing is ever enough.